how should my PPC campaigns be set up for FBM products? FBM stands for Fulfilled by Merchant, and this is something that you as a brand owner would send directly to the customer, and you're not using Amazon's shipment or Amazon's distribution center to ship your product to, and Amazon to ship it to your customer, right? That is the FBA. So for FBM, what we are seeing so far is that FBM campaigns, it really depends on the category. For larger items, for example, this could still work well, the FBM route. But what we're seeing on our end when we are running ads for FBM products that are fulfilled by the merchant itself is that those products are going to convert way slower and it takes more time to convert. The reason for that is because Amazon created such a platform of convenience that me, regular Joe shopper who understands Amazon ads and is preaching you right now, I am going to look up what is the product that it's going to get the fastest to me, and that is something that is also affordable in pricing and also exactly the design that I would be looking for, right? And once that I found the product, it's going to be so hard for, Amazon ads to show up on the same page that I already found the product. It's like, oh, this might be a better alternative, but I'm saying, yeah, and that's going to deliver me in 2 days or 3 days, in 5 days, the product. And this one, it's literally in 2 hours because we have a warehouse nearby. So if I'm thinking that way, your regular average customer, they are also going to think that way. Again, this depends highly on, is this a bigger product in your niche, all the categories that you're selling in? Is FBM something specific? Is that not anymore a competitive advantage? Because then it's going to be a different approach there. But when it comes down to ads itself and how do they relate with FBM fulfillment, what we've seen on our end is that if your niche is dominated by FBA sellers, so fulfilled by Amazon, versus FBM. And if you're selling especially even a consumable product, it's going to cost you way more to convert for your ads.